Things that are going to be needed for this project is 11 square mirrors, 3 of these blue candles, 3 of these vases, 3 of these glass candle holders, 2 boxes of shells, some painter's tape, ecxacto knives, foam board, white acrylic paint, super glue, 2 rocks, glue gun, and I believe that is it. Let's get started. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to set 3 of these down. I'm just going to measure it out, basically. So I think we should tape it. Actually going to need a second board, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to cut out the exact same replica. What we're going to begin doing is gluing them on each side, like so. I've already pre-cut these. These are just for 2 pieces on the sides. I'm going to go ahead and glue these on each one. Okay, so the next thing we're going to need to do is take these side pieces and we're just going to cut a little bit off the sides, like just a hair, like about this much. You're just going to go straight across. I'm just going to pick it off. It should come off real easily. And this will help it to adhere without, having to cover the corners. And make it nice and neat when you attach the pieces. Now the last part before we attach it, I'm actually not going to make a bottom to this. This is going to be the top, and with the top you're going to need to do basically the same thing. You're going to have to cut the edging off, just like this, and you'll understand why when we get there. So now I've decided just to add glue right here, right along here. So I'm going to try to add a lot. Hopefully do this quick enough. And then flip it over, and then just going to adhere it to this end, and hopefully it adheres properly. Okay, so now I'm going to glue the side here. And this side, see if we can get that going. Okay, I don't have any E6000, so this is going to be difficult, but I'm going to go ahead and try to attach the top. Okay, now I've decided to just put a little bit of rhinestone, since I have a lot left.